Hello everybody, Unholy Vision here from Venomous Pictures, and as you can probably see, I have an installation screen on here for Zorin OS. In this case, it's 9, but I was asked a question by, I believe I'm going to say this name right, Wundahas. If not, I apologize if that was wrong, but yeah, they asked about an error they got with the partitioning stuff, and they weren't assigning a root, so I was telling them about the root. We'll just select something else and do our own partitionings ourselves, set it up all ourselves, and make sure you get the right device before you do any formatting on this, of course, because you don't want to delete any other stuff you have. Just do your new table, go to your free space once you've made the new table. We'll make a root. You can do other ext3 or 4 or whatever, but 4 honestly is the best, and for this, in my opinion. Make sure it's primary. You'll need about 1.7 gigs for this. I like to put a little extra, so I'll do that and make that right there. So now we got 1.8 gigs for our root, and then we will need to make a swap and a home folder. So I'm going to do the swap first. Make sure it's logical, and then for the home, you'd go down here and find it in there or whatever. I'll get to that next. But swap, just select swap. Make sure your stuff is, depending on how much RAM you have, make sure you do it more than your RAM a good bit. But if you have a good bit of RAM, you can get by with nothing or a smaller. I like to do about 4 since I have a lot of RAM. And then now we'll make our home folder, or excuse me, home partition, make it logical, and use just the rest of the space. And then you can type /home, or like I was saying before, go into the list and it'll be right there and just click on it. You can make a boot, but I'm not going to cover that in this. You'd have to make that primary as well. Well, it'd be wise to. And then just press OK on this. We'll have everything should be done now. Everything should be done now. This is what it should look like. And then you would just want to install now the rest of the way and set up your time and whatever else. And everything should be working hunky-dory. Um, I hope this helped Wanda Haas and whoever else that needed help with the partitioning table. This is Unholy Vision signing out. Thanks for watching.